Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Kayla's Cars needs more steel for production, and we have to find the exact trigger for this shift. Let's solve this economics puzzle quickly. First, we must recognize that the demand for steel is a derived demand. This means the need for raw materials depends entirely on how many final cars the company actually sells. If the demand for cars increases, the company must produce more vehicles to meet that market need. Consequently, they will require a much larger quantity of steel to build those cars. This direct relationship shifts the demand curve for steel to the right. Therefore, option B is the only logical choice that fits this economic principle. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check your steps carefully.